Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Schooling Street. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Edge browser in Windows 10, the new Edge browser in 2020. Let's start. First of all, open the browser. After opening browser, write Edge new. After that, select download new Microsoft Edge browser. From here, just select download. From here, you can read out the lessons terms, accept and download. After that, the download will start automatically. Select where you want to save. Save. Now see, click on exe file, the downloaded file, click yes, and the Microsoft Edge browser going to be installed in your system. What's new in Microsoft Edge browser? Let's see.
It's time to expect more from the web, where websites are fast and work like they should. It's time for a web that's more accessible for everyone, that's easy to navigate, to organize, and gives back with Bing. Most importantly, it's time to make the web safer for you and your family, giving you more control.
Microsoft Edge browser is going to be installed in your system. Just wait only few seconds. The setup is downloading essential files for installing Microsoft Edge browser in your system. It will not take a lot of time. As you can see, now you can see the Microsoft Edge installed successfully. After that, it will give you something like your settings, what to do. The new browser recommended by Microsoft Edge is here. Your privacy is our priority. Get started. Let's set up the browser with your data. Import from Google Chrome. Continue without importing. You can also import your data from Google Chrome. I will go with without importing. Confirm. Let's set up your new tab page. Focused, informational, inspirational. You can select any of given. I'll select inspirational. Confirm. See your favorites, passwords and more on any device. It needs to be sign in with your Microsoft account to access these settings. After that, the new Edge installed successfully. Now you can browse anything in your new Edge browser. It's really fast and secure. Moreover, you can select any of given extensions, apps. You can manage apps and other settings. Privacy and services, appearance settings. On startup, new tab, site permission. It has a lot of settings. Hope so you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.